Yo, we got a Buick Enclave. The dash has the ABS light on, says service traction control. And I was thinking it was the wheel speed sensor because put my scanner on it and it says left rear, no signal found, no input, whatever. So I was gonna take this wheel speed sensor off. I haven't disconnected it yet. But of course, I thought to myself, I better check everything. So if you look in here where the wheel speed sensor goes, it's right there. It reads off of the hub assembly and there's no magnetic ring there. The pickup's gone. It broke right off. So if you go to this side, all right, we're on this side. I wish you could see it better. There's a black magnetic ring here. And that's what the wheel speed sensor is picking up. So if you go to this side, there's no black magnetic ring. It's all, well, there's a little bit left of it there. You can see the shiny spot there, but it's all broken up. And that's why the ABS light's on and it says service traction control. So in order to do this fix, we got to replace the hub assembly. We're gonna take the brakes apart, the rotor, you got this little screw right there. And the hub assembly is held on with these bolts coming in through the back. And that'll be a project for another day. So that's how you fix that problem. Get a scanner. My scanner will tell me the speed of each wheel. I'm getting nothing from this. Had a code, rear left. So we go right to the rear left to check it out. So you need somebody with a scanner, maybe AutoZone or something will scan it for you to figure out which wheel speed sensor isn't working. And you can check the live data right on those and find out how fast it's reading. So this one isn't the sensor that's bad. It is the hub assemblies just got the magnetic pickup broken off of it.